Flying domestically is forgiving. You can throw clothes in a bag, grab your ID, and figure out the rest when you land. Cross a border, and that exact strategy can ruin your trip before you even leave the airport. Arriving at the international terminal without exact logistical preparation leads directly to 3 outcomes: being denied boarding at the gate, finding your bank accounts frozen at a foreign ATM, or stepping off the plane into a complete digital blackout. Let's start with what stops people at the gate: the 6-month trap. You might look at your passport, see it expires in 3 months, and think you're clear. You aren't. Dozens of countries will reject you immediately if your passport doesn't have 6 full months of validity left after your return date. Even if you clear immigration, you face immediate financial and digital threats upon landing. If you haven't prepared to access local cell networks or notify your bank of your location, you become instantly isolated, unable to pay for a cab or navigate to your hotel. You manage these risks with a strict 5-category pre-departure system. We organize this into documents, money, health, gear, and digital setup. Relying on memory increases the likelihood of an oversight. Executing a verified checklist allows you to identify these logistical gaps while you're still at home, rather than at the check-in counter. Step 1 is securing your documents. Calculate exactly 6 months from the day you plan to fly back home. If your passport expires before that date, you need to renew it immediately. Next, build physical redundancy. Phones break and get stolen. Print 2 physical copies of your passport and your travel insurance policy. Keep one in your carry-on and the other in your main luggage. For Category 2, money, you have to protect your capital from your own bank. If you usually buy coffee in Chicago and suddenly try to pay for a train ticket in Rome, a security algorithm instantly flags it as fraud and shuts down your card. Bypass this by logging into your banking app and setting a digital travel notice. This tells the algorithm your exact dates and locations, ensuring your money is accessible. And make sure the card you're using has no foreign transaction fees. Swiping a standard card overseas tacks on a 3% penalty to every single purchase, from hotels to street food, which drains your travel budget fast. Finally, physically separate those cards. Keeping all your cash and credit cards in a single wallet creates a single point of failure. Keep your primary card on you and stash a backup card and emergency cash locked in your hotel room. By strictly verifying your documents and decentralizing your funds, you ensure you can legally cross the border and purchase whatever you need once you're there. Moving to Category 3, health. The strict packing rule here is that life-saving items are never separated from your physical person. Every single prescription medication you need must go into your carry-on bag, never in checked luggage. You also need a plan for accessing emergency infrastructure. Download an app called Trip Whistle. It instantly gives you the local emergency numbers for over 200 countries, so you aren't trying to guess the equivalent of 911 in a panic. For Category 4, gear, focus on maintaining independent power. Foreign electrical grids require specific plug adapters, but you should also carry a high-capacity portable charger. You need the ability to recharge your phone anywhere, at any time. That brings us to our final category, your digital setup. Avoid the digital blackout upon landing by installing an eSIM before you take off. This allows your phone to immediately connect to local cell towers the second the plane touches down, but cell service still fails. Download your destination in Google Maps for offline use while you're still sitting on your couch at home. This guarantees you can navigate from the airport to your hotel, even if you hit a complete dead zone. And as a final gear backup, pack exactly 1 change of clothes in your personal item. If your checked bag gets delayed, you have a fresh set of clothes to wear while you sort it out. Controlling these health logistics, securing your hardware power, and guaranteeing your digital connectivity makes you a self-sufficient traveler rather than a vulnerable tourist. Managing all these micro-logistics creates a heavy cognitive load. For many, this complexity makes the initial planning phase feel overwhelming, often leading to simple, avoidable errors that create stress later on. That's exactly why I built the Weekend Getaway Planner. It's an engineered, automated solution designed to eliminate that mental friction. This template pre-calculates your budgets and structures your daily itineraries based on the rules we've discussed. You just plug in your numbers, and it turns the logistical process into a simple sequence of steps. With your documents verified, your money decentralized, health protocols in place, gear packed correctly, and digital backups downloaded, you addressed the primary points of failure for an international trip. Now that your foundation is solid, our next video will break down the complete framework for solo travel for beginners. Subscribe so you maintain your strategic advantage. Successful, stress-free travel is rarely a matter of luck. It is the direct result of executing intelligent systems.